Hi, in today's Draw Along with Me, we will be creating this fun piece of cartoon faces inside an oval. Let's begin with creating one big oval and add lots of shapes inside it. These shapes could be overlapping each other, some can even pop out of the oval. Once you've drawn all the shapes that can fit in, divide each shape vertically and horizontally in halves. Now, you don't have to be perfect for this, it is a mere guideline for us to ensure we place the eyes and the nose in the right place. Now that our guidelines are in place, it is time to draw the faces. However, once you start making the faces, you may notice that it becomes very confusing because there are so many guidelines and you're not sure which shape is in the forefront and which is at the back. So once I draw the first one in pen, I'm going to make the other faces in pencil first and then I would do the outline in black. You can also do another way where you take each and every shape individually, draw out their faces first using the guidelines and then add the guidelines as you go and then create the details for each face. So come draw along with me and create various expressions and hairstyles to all your individual faces. Inking is a very therapeutic process. You can listen to your favorite music while you do this, and this will bring you so much of joy. Once the faces are done, you can fill in the gaps of the oval like this, which gives the effect of the faces popping out of the oval like a window. Our faces are completely ready. It's now time to erase all the pencil marks and look at the final effect of how the faces inside the oval have come out. I'm very happy with the final effect of how the faces look popping out of the oval. You can either leave it at this stage or get creative and add some colors. I'm going to use some sketch pens and add colors only to the hairstyles. This helps me to understand the play of colors and also break out of monotony. This whole project today has been super fun. I hope you enjoyed today's draw along with me session. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, do hit like and share. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you for the next video soon. Bye bye.